Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to create a right-click copy to specific folder option in Windows. So let's say you have this folder that you're always copying other files and folders to, and rather than just leaving it open and having to right-click copy, right-click paste, drag and drop, whatever you need to do, you can simply just right-click on a file, multiple files, or a folder with subfolders and send it right to that folder by copying it over there instantly. So we just recently did a video on how to do this with the move to option, but we figured we'd do a copy to option for those who are looking to copy instead of move. Alright, so we're going to be doing a simple registry edit to accomplish this. So I have one file here to copy to. So here's what it does. And then if you change your mind, you can run this one here to remove it. Alright, so what you're going to need to do is edit a couple of things here. So this is what is going to show up on the context menu for the display name here. So when you right click it, that's what it will say. So you can make this say whatever you want, and you could have it match this key here. So you'll have to change this key. You could say copy to and then put your folder name. Just make sure you don't put any spaces in this key name here. And then right here, you're going to need to change the path to match where you're actually copying these files and folders to. So make sure you have the double slash there as well. Alright, so we're going to E important files. So the E drive important files. So right now there's nothing in it. So let's go ahead and run the file to import the settings into the registry. So we'll double click on the copy to registry file. Say yes to the UAC prompt. So you'll need to be an administrator to do this. And this is just telling us that it's copying the contents of this file into the registry. And then OK. Alright, so now when we right click, and if you're on Windows 11, you'll have to go to Show More Options. I couldn't figure out how to put it in the primary menu, so it's on the secondary menu here. Or you could just hold down Shift, right-click. Or you could use one of the many methods out there to restore the Windows 10 Classic right-click context menu instead of the Windows 11 newer style if you want. All right, so let's open the folder here. Hold down Shift, right-click, copy to important files. You'll see a little PowerShell window pop up. And now it's copied over there. And let's say we want to do 3 files here. So it'll take a little bit longer for multiple files because it has to do it 3 times here. And then we'll do a folder with subfolders and other files in it. All right, so you can see that copied it over along with its subfolders and files. Okay, so let's say you wanted to undo this and get rid of that right-click menu option. You could just do the same thing with the remove copy to registry file. All right, so now we can right-click, and now we don't have the copy to option any longer. And if for some reason it doesn't apply after you run the registry files, you could either restart Windows Explorer or restart the computer and see if that triggers it for you. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you can download these 2 registry files. And then, like I said, you just need to edit the 3 sections here. This part, and this part, and then you'll be good to go. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.